And now, no end to the sight of power tussle in Rajasthan. After sitting on hours of dharna for right in front of the governor's house just yesterday, the Congress is all set to now hold demonstrations across the Rajasthan districts against the alleged BJP conspiracy to bring down the government. They're also demanding an assembly session to be conducted. Rajasthan ministers will meet at 11:30 a.m. is what is said. Just yesterday, a cabinet meet was called for late in the night, which went on for more than 2 hours. The Congress party remains firm on their demands to call an assembly session soon, and they won't back off until their demands are met.
लोगों में बहुत आक्रोश भी है कि इतने दिन से कोई होटलों में बैठे हुए हैं, कोई हमारे साथी गए हुए वहाँ पर हरियाणा के अंदर बंधक बनाए हुए हैं।
अपनी गलती को छुपाने के लिए बीजेपी को आरोपित करना ये पुरानी आदत है और मैं सलाह दूंगा कि बदल देनी चाहिए। अपने घर को ठीक रखते, अपनी सरकार ठीक चलाते, पार्टी में एकजुटता होती तो शायद ये नौबत नहीं आती।
Let's quickly cut across to Dev Ankur joining us live. Dev, here is Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot all set to hold a series of protests across districts in Rajasthan. They're going to be meeting in just a little while from now. What's the plan of action for today? They're quite adamant that they won't back off until the governor meets with their demands. They've go on.
Well, clearly the Congress at this point in time is adamant. It wants the governor to allow the holding of the assembly session, and that is why you see behind me this protest that is going on in Jaipur. The Congress workers have come out to protest against the governor, and they claim that this is a murder of democracy by the BJP in Rajasthan. On stage, there are several Congress leaders and workers who have gathered out here to protest against the governor's decision to not allow the Rajasthan government to hold an assembly session. The Ashok Gehlot government had maintained that if the assembly session is allowed, then it can prove its majority in the Rajasthan assembly. But the governor maintained that the situation at this point in time, because of the corona pandemic, is such that that the assembly session cannot be allowed at this point in time. And you saw yesterday the kind of protests that happened in Jaipur. There were several Congress leaders, MLAs, who sat inside the Rajasthan governor's house on a dharna, maintaining that the governor should allow the assembly session to happen, but the governor did not allow that, and that is why these protests are happening in Jaipur. And now you see the Congress workers and Congress leaders coming out.
Explain the visual right behind you. What's the gathering all about? Is this just a meeting that's being called for? Explain the visuals right behind you.
Well, clearly at this point in time, as I mentioned, the Congress workers have come out to protest against the governor's decision to not allow the assembly session from being held. Yesterday you saw the Congress leaders, MLAs coming out in protest, and today these are the Seva Dal leaders, Seva Dal workers and Congress leaders coming out in protest against the governor's decision to not allow the assembly session. On the platform, you see this huge banner that has been put up. It mentions that the BJP that this is about the murder of democracy by the BJP in Rajasthan under a conspiracy, and Ashok Gehlot himself has alleged.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.